Want to know the secrets of a $100,000 affiliate marketer? Take a look at these proof of earnings. $191.68 in just a single day because of the system. $266.30 in just a day paid in his PayPal account. $729.80 in 3 days last Christmas. Want to become one of them? Know if you're doing the affiliate marketing the right way. Here's the usual steps done by a beginner affiliate marketer. Step 1, you go to Clickbank, JvZoo, or WarriorPlus. Step 2, you find a product you think people might like. Step 3, you order some traffic from a solo ad seller and send that traffic to your affiliate link. Step 4, you get disappointed when no sales come through. What do you think you are doing wrong? Let me tell you. The secret to an effective affiliate marketing is not to promote an affiliate product, but to build an audience to your affiliate products. How can it be possible? Here are the factors that affect the purchasing decision of your audiences. Who is telling them to buy the product, a stranger versus someone they know? The number of times the person has seen the product offer. Their current financial situation. And how well that product offer speaks to them and their current challenges and desires. What should you do to achieve all of these factors and persuade your audiences to purchase your affiliate products? Follow these simple proven steps. Step 1, choose a niche. The broad and popular niches are the weight loss or fitness, personal development, and making money online. These niches have many affiliate products to promote and will give you a lot of commissions. Step 2, go to Clickbank, JvZoo, or WarriorPlus. Find some products there that are selling well in that niche. Then create your affiliate link for these products. Step 3, order niche-specific traffic from one of the vendors at Udimi. Step 4, send the traffic to an opt-in page created in no time flat by using the 12-minute affiliate system. The opt-in page asks people to opt in if they'd like some information on whatever the niche is that you've chosen. Now you're building your list of audiences. Step 5, when traffic comes to your opt-in page, preload your autoresponder with about 14 to 20 weeks worth of follow-up messages to go out automatically. Step 6, now, your autoresponder is doing most of the follow-up and relationship building work for you while you're sleeping. If you choose to join the 12-minute affiliate program, you'd learn 2 more steps for the success you're waiting for. With this 12-minute affiliate program, you don't have to build your own website. You don't have to make videos and pages in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You don't have to build your own sales funnel and landing pages. They will do it all for you. Here's some proof of earnings made by the system. Timothy here got 10 sales in his first week. She made $201 in Clickbank with the help of the 12-minute affiliate. $460 per sale is not that bad. Don't make the same mistake as the other affiliate marketer have done, which led them to no income, and worse, to bankruptcy. Invest your money to the proven system that will make you earn money online. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.